Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jay from Black Eyes Crypto, and welcome to the latest spreadsheet update showing my progress in crypto. And so, right now on this page, you can see that this is again an update of the amount of funds that I have in different currencies. And you'll see that the total funds I have in the crypto market right now are $97,973.56. So if we cross reference this with my $1 million monthly checkup chart, you'll see that on today, February 12th, that my profit and loss is $8,826.28 profit. And so you may be wondering, okay, this sheet looks a little bit different from your last updates. And the reason being is that what I wanted to do is be more transparent with how I have everything set up in the cryptocurrency markets. And what I wanted to do is show you a couple of things. One, how much money I've actually spent total in ICO investments. Two, how much money I've actually spent buying various currencies. And then just kind of give you a total of all of this. And so I think I mentioned a couple of days ago that I made an infusion of $20,000 into I I think Iongo or Yugo, and so that actually made me actually lost on that deal. But what I did is actually calculated all of that inside of this number here. So when you look at this spreadsheet, you can see how much I've actually invested in all my ICOs, whether they have matured or not, and again, how much that I've actually purchased just random coins on exchanges. And so you can see, like I mentioned earlier, most of my investments are going to be heavily focused in getting in on ICOs in both their pre-sale and private sale phases. And that's going to be my main investment strategy throughout the year. Um, in this yellow column right here, you can see that the amount of ICOs that I have that are waiting maturity or waiting to be shown up on an exchange, and that number right now is 7. And those 7 include every ICO that's in this box here, starting from props project all the way down to current. And finally, you'll be able to see how much I've invested in each ICO. And this number here, the $42,279, equates to this column here. So these two will always be in sync as we go further throughout the year. And so this is just a quick update I wanted to bring out to everyone with this spreadsheet. And one other thing I want to talk about is I think I mentioned earlier that one of the best ways to get into ICOs is via a pre-sale. And again, a pre-sale is when, a pre-sale is a pre-sale. It's basically when an ICO solicits funds from investors, but they are not actively promoting the ICO. And one of the ways that I've been able to do that is to get into various private ICO groups. And what I want to bring up on this page right here, there's a group that I just joined today. It's called eliteclub.io. And what they are just like, they're basically an ICO club that started on Telegram, but they're actually trying to, they're actually trying to bring a lot of their operations off Telegram to this website here by launching a platform where you'll be able to not only get stock trading chips, which one of the things they specialize in on Telegram, but to be able to send your Ethereum to them, and they will invest it inside of these various private and pre-sale ICOs. And so I just joined this group. I'm not trying to pub them or anything like that. I just wanted to let you guys know this is one of the groups that I'm actually a part of. And another platform that I've used as well is called Open Token. So Open Token is a platform where if you, say for instance, if you were a facilitator of various ICO offerings, or say you had a group of people, say you had like 10 or 15 people in your group, and you have negotiated different caps on different ICOs, then you could actually use this platform and have all of your members send their Ethereum to a smart contract address that then you would in turn take that Ethereum and then invest in a private sale. And so what it really does, it helps facilitate the fundraising and the allocation of tokens, so that when a person, say the crowd sale is over and the tokens are being distributed, well, the tokens will be distributed to the person who is the administrator of the private group, and then that administrator would then be able to send everybody their tokens seamlessly. And so I've used this as well with a few groups that I'm in, and it actually works pretty well. And so you can check it out at opentoken.com. They're in beta, so when I log in, I actually have to go to beta.opentoken.com, and I'm not fully, actually I'm logged in right now. So what you can see is these are past crowd sales that have gone on, or private or pre-sale sales that I've been able to participate in. And basically what happens is that it's like, say for instance, even though this is finished, let's see, this sale is finished, but what would happen is that, say Air Token is trying to raise $40 million. Well, they may give us actually in this case, they are trying to raise $300 million, but they gave an administrator $15 million in cap that they can actually go out and raise with their private groups. And so this is exactly what happened. And then we were able to, say the private group was maybe 100 people, we were able to fill that cap. And once this cap is filled, we're then, the administrator can then forward those funds over to the ICO. Once the ICO is finished and all the tokens are being distributed to all the people that participated, the administrator of the Open Token account will then just via smart contract send all those tokens to all of the Ethereum addresses that participated in the ICO. So this is a very cool little setup. I just wanted to let you guys know about this, mainly because this particular year, in order to really be profitable with ICOs, you're going to have to get in via either pre-sales or private sales. By the time you participate in a crowd sale, a lot of times it's already too late. So in any case, I know I don't want to ramble anymore, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on where things are, and I will look forward to talking to you later. Thanks.